Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I've got a really cool truck for you. It's a 2000 GMC Sierra. It's a one-owner truck, and it's spent its whole life in California, so it's very clean, as you can tell. This truck also has an upgraded Magna Supercharger on it. It's also got a stainless Flowmaster exhaust on the truck as well, and as you can see, it's been lowered, which looks really, really nice. This truck is in really, really good condition, guys. As we look up front here, you can see that the front of the hood is really nice. I'm not seeing any kind of stone chips or anything on the front. Your headlights, your grille, your front bumper is in really good condition. Very pretty paint here. This is like a gray metallic paint that looks fantastic on this truck. As we look at the fender's in excellent condition here. I'm not seeing any kind of chips or imperfections with the paint. You've got an upgraded set of late model GM wheels on here. They're 20-inch, which look really nice on this truck. They fit right at home there. The front windshield is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any stone chips or anything like that on here. This truck only has 53,000 original miles, guys, so it's really good condition, low miles. For you guys out there that don't like the new pickup trucks with all the computers and bells and whistles that they come with, this is a great option for a truck that you can get into with low miles. It'll give you tons and tons of years of use and drivability, and you don't have to worry about any issues with electronics and stuff on this truck. This truck's pretty simple when it comes to that, but gives you everything you need, like AC, good radio, nice interior, but overall a very cool truck. As we look at the side of the door here, the door's in excellent condition. The trim down here still looks nice. It's not delaminating or anything like that. The plastic on the door handles are still in really good condition as well. Door open and closes fine. No issues with a sagging door there. As we look at the back side of the cab here, excellent condition. Even your SLE logo here on the cab is still in really good condition. It's not faded or oxidized, which you will see with a truck that's been sitting outside for a long time. Cab corners are nice here. I'm not seeing any bubbling or rust or anything like that. The top of the truck is in excellent condition too. Rear glass looks really nice. The truck's got some window tint on it, which looks to be about a 25%, maybe 30% window tint, which looks really nice. Keep the interior nice and cool and keeps you from fish bowling. As we look at the bedside here, overall very, very good condition. We've got a couple little minor, very small little imperfections here right on the top of the bed here, but nothing major. Still looks really nice. Overall, the side of the bedside here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any kind of chips or any kind of weird paint issues going on here. It looks really nice. Paint is super slick. There's no little tiny micro scratches or anything on the paint. It's literally a mirror finish on this truck. Out back, you do have that 20-inch wheel, and you also have an upgraded set of power stop disc brakes back here that look really nice with red calipers. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, tailgate's in really good condition, rear bumper's in great condition. You do have a tow package on the truck, so you get a hitch and all the wiring for your trailer lights, which is really nice. Brand new tail lights here that look really nice. They're kind of a smoked look to it that fit the color of the truck. Overall, very, very clean. The bed of the truck is very nice as well. You've got a nice thick rubber mat here on the back of the tailgate as well as for the bed floor here. But overall, even underneath here, it is very, very clean. There's no major dents or dings. Very clean. A nice rhino lining in the back of this truck would be a nice upgrade for this truck, but overall very, very nice. But guys, let's work our way back up front so I can show you that supercharged 5.3 underneath the hood. All right, let's check out that 5.3 underneath here. Like I said, you do have that Magna Supercharger here, which is really nice. Definitely gives it a nice little bump in power. If I had to say how much horsepower this truck is, I would say it's probably somewhere around the 400 wheel horsepower range, which is not crazy, but it's still enough to get this truck down the road very nicely, and you're not going to be worried about messing up the transmission or rear end or anything like that. This truck does have a posi traction rear end, so definitely going to get some good traction, help get that 400 horsepower to the ground with ease. But overall, the engine bay is very nice. This truck was also owned by a mechanic, and like I said, this is a one-owner truck, so this truck's always had maintenance done on it when it's needed. Because the guy was a mechanic, he did take very good care of this truck. Overall though, the engine bay is very, very nice. Supercharger looks good, and overall condition is very nice here. But let's go ahead and wrap this up, work our way to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, let's check out the interior on this beautiful GMC truck. everything in this truck looks really, really nice. It's in great condition. Some things that you want to look for when you're looking at a low mileage truck like this is the seat. The seat's in excellent condition. The bolstering here is still really good and plush. The stitching's really nice on here. It's not coming loose. There's no tears or rips or stains. I mean, check out how clean that seat belt is. Super nice. You can definitely tell this was not a work truck. Your carpets are in excellent condition. There's no stains. You've got a nice set of floor mats in here as well. The steering wheel is still in excellent condition. The leather looks really nice on it. Your dash doesn't have any cracks. It's in really good condition. Still has really nice color to it. It's not faded. Your door panels are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any kind of damage or wear and tear on the door panels. Even the carpet down here is in really good condition still too. You've got a nice center console here that's really nice. Gives you tons of storage. You've got the factory head unit here as well. Everything in this truck works as it should. AC blows cold, heat blows hot, all the gauges work. You do have a tilt steering column here with cruise control, but overall the interior is very, very nice on this truck, guys, which is what you expect from a truck with 53,000 original miles. You do have some paperwork that comes with the truck. That's just some maintenance paperwork that shows all the service that's been done on this truck. Like I said, this was owned by a mechanic, but he did fill out his own maintenance log, so it's all in that folder right there, which is really nice to have. It lets you know what all's been done to the truck. Headliner's in really good condition. That's one thing you really want to look at too. These trucks are kind of notorious for the headliners sagging. No issues with that. It's all in good condition. Back in the back seat back there, the back seat's still in really good condition too. Doesn't even look like anyone's ever sat in it. And you do have some upgraded stereo speakers and subs underneath the seat, which are a big plus and sound really nice when you got the radio going. But overall, a fantastic interior that's just as nice as the exterior of this truck. But let's get to my favorite part and let's take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, we're out driving in the 2000 GMC Sierra, and this thing drives like a brand new truck, guys. I mean, it tracks nice and straight down the road. The brakes feel fantastic. This truck basically drives itself. I'm still not grabbing the steering wheel. That just shows you how nice this truck drives. The cab of the truck's in excellent condition. Like I mentioned earlier, all the gauges work. The steering feels really nice and tight on it. Brakes feel great too. There's no rattles or anything like that going on inside the cab. The radio works and sounds really nice. Just to show you that it works, we don't want to be copyrighted on our video. But overall, the suspension feels really nice on the truck too. To be a lowered truck, you know, sometimes they will ride a little more stiff, but overall, really, this one drives like a stock truck to me. I can't really tell that it's been lowered. There's no rubbing with the wheels or anything like that on the fenders or on the bedside, but overall, a fantastic driving truck. Supercharger sounds good too when you get on it. You got that nice little bit of a whine there. That was about quarter throttle. But overall, a really, really nice truck, guys. If you're looking for one like this, this is definitely the one you want. A one owner California truck. Oh, fuck, I fucked that up. This is definitely the truck you want. It's a one owner truck and it's spent in its entire life in California, so it's in really good condition. But overall, just a killer truck that needs to be parked in your garage. Taking some sharp turns here. Suspension handle's really good. I'm literally steering with one finger. Supercharger has a really cool whine to it. Man, I just love the root style superchargers. But guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. Like I said, this is a one-of-a-kind truck, and these trucks are getting extremely hard to find with these kind of miles on it. And this is a very, very good example of one of these NBSs. So if you're interested, give us a call. You can ask for Chris, which is me, or my partner, Justin. We do offer financing, and we do have shipping. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this one up, and we'll catch you on the next one.